Today we're going to talk about brace straps. We have been making these for quite some time now, but we haven't talked about them in a long time as well. So the idea of it is to replace the OEM strap on the SB Tactical braces. They're very beneficial on the SBA3s. They're going to tighten things up on this brace specifically a lot, and they're aesthetically pleasing. You can match your sling with them or whatever as well. So today we're going to install one on the newer SBA5. So when you order your brace strap, make sure you order it for the correct brace. If it's not listed, then don't buy that one. The idea is to line the logo up on the cheek weld. If you're a left-handed shooter, you're going to align this on the other side so that the Velcro is not against your face or whatever. But you're going to line it up like this, wrap it around, go through the loop, and then when you come back around, just make sure everything mates up like that. So that's how it's done. Don't take off your OEM brace strap and then put ours on just like that, because that's not how I designed it. I designed it to be as functional as possible for the user and be the most aesthetically pleasing thing as possible as well. Because if it doesn't look good, you know, why do it? But anyway, you guys can find these at flatlinefiberco.com.